Hello, today we will guide you through how to create second navigation on Squarespace. A second navigation, sometimes called a utility or secondary menu, is perfect for surfacing links like FAQs, account, or policies without crowding your main header. We'll walk through where to go in Squarespace and where to place the small piece of code that powers it. Start on your Squarespace dashboard. Open the site you want to edit, then click your site title to enter the editor. This brings up the left-hand sidebar where you control your content and settings. Next, choose Website from the sidebar. This section focuses on what visitors see, your pages, navigation, and overall structure. It's the right place to prepare for a custom navigation element. Now click Pages. You don't need to rearrange anything here. We're simply confirming the site structure before adding code that will display a second set of links. If you manage multiple navigations already, take a moment to note the exact page titles you plan to include in the new menu so you can reference them in your code. From here, locate Custom Code. This is Squarespace's area for advanced additions like CSS, HTML, and scripts. Only use code you trust and make sure your plan supports code injection. If someone provided the snippet for you, keep it handy for the next step. Open Code Injection. This panel has fields for header and footer. The header is ideal for HTML and CSS that need to load early, while the footer is common for scripts that can load later. Your second navigation markup and styling usually belong in the header, so it appears and is styled as the page loads. Paste your code into the appropriate field. Keep the snippet organized with a short comment at the top so you can find it later. If your code includes CSS, you can keep it here with the hello, or move styling into your site's CSS area if you prefer to manage styles in one place. Avoid pasting anything that contains private tokens or keys. Once done, review the panel. Make sure there are no stray characters, duplicated tags, or missing brackets. If your theme already uses custom code, confirm you're not overriding existing styles unintentionally. Finally, click Save at the top left. Squarespace will apply your changes across the site. Give it a moment, then navigate through your pages in the editor to confirm the secondary menu displays as expected. That's it. You've added a clean, purposeful second navigation to your Squarespace site.